Today, I'm going to share with you the power of relationships in vision mapping. I want to discuss with you how meaningful relationships can play a crucial role in helping you to stay committed to your vision, to your goals, to your dreams, to keep moving forward with that plan that you're either creating or you've already created. The people that I have witnessed that have created a 90-day, a 6-month, a 5-year plan using my vision mapping framework, the ones that are successful, the ones that are most successful in reaching their goals, their visions, their dreams, are the ones who have strong, supportive community relationships in their life that they can lean into when the you know what hits the fan, when you want to divert, when you get in fear, when you don't want to keep taking the actions necessary to get to your goals. Some examples of supportive friends, mentors, accountability partners in my life that have motivated me throughout the years to stay on course with my business, with my visions, with my goals. They've been instrumental. And what I found is when I don't have a coach, when I don't have accountability partners, when I don't have people in my life that are not vested in me, so they're outside of my home, and they know my goals and my dreams and my visions. When I don't have them in my life, I am much more easily distracted at shiny objects, the squirrel syndrome. When I have those people in place that know my vision, my clear vision, my goals, my dreams, my visions, they can help to lead me back onto the course. And what that looks like is when, for me, depression rears its ugly head and I get fearful and I want to go lay under the covers and not get up, they can ask me specific questions. My default has been open a dog walking business. And these are clicking on my AirPods, so I'm going to take them off. And that's what I'll say to them. I want to go open a dog walking business. And they can ask me really specific questions. What's really going on to help me to get underneath what's really going on in my head so that I can connect back into my heart. And then I can go back into the action steps necessary. They can also help me to pivot if what I'm doing is not working at all. So I'm taking all these actions, nothing's happening. They can help me to look at my actions and to pivot, to tweak them to fit where I'm supposed to be. My heart never lies. And oftentimes I can't hear it, you can't hear it. So the people that are supportive in your life, they can help you to stay on the path, to get back on the path, to tap into where you really are going to be of highest good. And so, where do you find these people? Where do you find these supportive friends? Church, volunteer work. Years ago, I was in real estate, and I've got this book, Eddie's Journey. I'm going to try to find it real quick. I can't find it real quick. You can find it online. It's called Eddie's Journey. I knew I wanted to write a book on him. He was a rescue dog that we had. And I also wanted to grow my real estate business. So I would show up at a dog park with Eddie the dog, and I would talk to people as I was taking photos. Back then, social media was just starting out. So I would take photos and I would ask people, are you okay with me posting the photo of your dog, Sally, on Eddie's Facebook page? And they would either look at me and they'd be like, oh, I don't care, or sure. And then I would follow up with, I use Eddie to grow my business. Well, guess what the next question was that they would ask? What is your business? If they didn't ask and we didn't have a connection, chances are we didn't build a relationship. oftentimes, because of doing this and asking other people questions about their lives, their dog, their business, their career, what would happen, I would show up at the dog park and then oftentimes go show people homes after we walked our dogs. It was all about building relationships. Identifying key people who can support your journey, and then look for ways to involve them on your vision map. What steps are necessary to find these people, to nurture these relationships? Perhaps list questions that you want to ask potential relationship supportive people. And then think about how you can add to their life. How can you listen to them? How can you collaborate to help them be of their highest good? When we listen to other people, when we ask questions, that's one way to build relationships, by listening, by asking questions, by showing concern in their life. How are you growing your relationships today? Where are you looking to have meaningful connection, to collaborate with others? Today I had 3 calls on Alignable, and guess what? I missed 2 of them. That's a whole other video for another day. And that's a practice of being human, perfectly imperfect. Alignable has been a great platform for me to have real Zoom conversations with people that I can collaborate with, that I can connect with. And I'm growing a very strong supportive community on Alignable. So I invite you to check out Alignable. Please comment below as you click the subscribe button. Where are you finding those relationships that can enhance you on your journey to your goals? As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Share this video with somebody that you think could enhance their life. And I invite you to download. In the show notes, I put my free vision mapping starter kit if you haven't already downloaded it. Thank you for joining. Stay tuned for the next video series coming up, where we are going to talk about, I have to look at my notes, building a support network. So the second step of building your support network. All right, enjoy today. Thanks for joining.